Long ago, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, lived a young girl named Emily. She was known for her curiosity and her love for learning. One day, Emily noticed something unusual in the village bakery. People were talking about a loaf of bread that was mysteriously disappearing. Emily, driven by her curiosity, decided to investigate. She visited the bakery, purchased a loaf of bread, and took it home. Intrigued, she decided to conduct an experiment. She divided the loaf into 3 parts. She baked one part as usual, another part she let sit for a day, and the last part she left untouched. The next day, Emily observed the changes in each part. The freshly baked part was delicious, as expected. The part that had been left for a day was still edible but had become slightly stale. But the untouched part was a sight for sore eyes. It had grown moldy and smelled foul. Emily realized that bread, like many things in life, needed care and attention to remain fresh. She shared her findings with the villagers and helped them understand the importance of preserving their bread. In the end, Emily's curiosity led to a valuable lesson about the importance of care and attention. She learned that even the simplest things, like a loaf of bread, could hold profound lessons. And the villagers learned that by taking care of their bread, they could ensure a better future for themselves and their community. So, remember, just like caring for a loaf of bread, caring for ourselves and our community requires attention and effort. Let's all strive to be a little more like Emily, curious, compassionate, and dedicated to learning.